Model, 2018 Ford Transit Custom 270L1 Diesel Front-Wheel Drive 2.0 TDCi 105ps Low roof van spares OR repairs Open mouth smile BARGAIN grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 148932. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 105ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Easy and simple fix open mouth smile gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, full service history, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the